Rehold.io multi-chain trading protocol, trade earn swap across Bitcoin and EVM. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Today I will share with you this trading. It is addicts or sick. So a new trading protocol, Rehold. No? What I want to emphasize is this new trading protocol has an airdrop. So I will put the link in my description so that you will try the airdrop in this multi-chain trading protocol. Okay. So what is Rehold? So they have their own lands app. So you can trade in this trading protocol. So the volume is 316 million. Transaction 197,000. Users is 14,000. No? So this is the trading protocol. So proprietary exchange coming soon. Swap crypto, buy crypto. So it is like the other DEX, now decentralized exchange. You can also have a dual investment, example Bitcoin and USDT. They have the higher uh, return, example 260.51%. Then you can earn rewards. So unlock the full potential of dual asset to earn up to 500% APY on your crypto with low risk. So aside from trading, you can earn by dual investment or staking your uh, crypto, no? Then earn points, get Redy tokens. The name of the token is Redy. So it's trade, then dual and swap to participate in the future airdrop. So the community, they have 150,000 in Twitter, 59,000 in Discord, then 39,000 in Telegram. So these are their partners, Arbitrum, Balance, Polygon. So one of the known crypto. Then Sipal, Chainstack. Then they already uh, have their press con in Yahoo, investing.com. So Rehold a new player in the DeFi space. So that is DeFi. I think this model they are going to launch a service where users can stake crypto including stable coins for 12 or 24 hours. Wow, 250% ROI. No? So what is stock? Understanding trading. So you can subscribe their newsletter for daily update. No? Then so airdrop. So this is what I want to share with you. Their airdrop. No? If you click airdrop, so you have to connect your wallet to earn the airdrop. So in my case, I connect my wallet OKX in this protocol. So we have to transfer in my OKX wallet to see how to do the airdrop to claim the airdrop. Okay, this is my OKX wallet. So to get the airdrop in the Rehold, just click this discover, then the app, then you can search by writing Rehold. So in my case, I have already doing the airdrop. So just click Rehold. Okay, we are here in the Rehold app in my OKX. So as you see, you can have the dual investment. So Ploki is TT in Ethereum chain. So 302% ROI. Mimi is DT 273. So this is what you get when you have a dual investment in this Rehold app. No? Now if you have some questions, so you can write a message in this in the section. But what I want to share with you is the airdrop. So just click this airdrop. So you have 4.8 thousand Redy token. So daily airdrop is 200. So invite friends and get 30% of the airdrop. Now this is my link, so I will put in the comment section. So you can share in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or in chat. So welcome bonus 100, dual investment 20 read or $1. Each is the dual investment equals to 20 read. You can turn auto replay to farm ready gas free. Open dual, then swap. Then it's called $1. So if I will swap my 4,800 a day, so I can get $4. No? Each is then swap equal to 10 ready. You can use chip blockchain to farm ready effectively. Then Galse, 1 ready is 1 XP. The NOMI score ready times 2. NOMI score holders get times 2 multiply for ready. Every 2 weeks your earn ready for the period will be doubled. Then of course 30% in repealer program. Okay. So earn 1.1 million or drop 100,000. So in my case I have only 4.8. So if I click this, but before, if you are new in this airdrop, there is a quiz before you can get this 200 ready token. No? But in my case, I already done the quiz. That's why what I doing every day is to claim the airdrop. No? Just click this claim. Okay, I hope you learn something. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. But don't forget, this is educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Thank you.